Okay, yeah. That's a big truck. It's an 18-wheeler. Stuck. Stuck on Caton and 21st Street. Brooklyn, New York. Oh gosh. Taxi. A little bit of cars barely making it. On Ocean. Oh my god, look at Ocean. Look. You can barely see down there. I told you the wind was getting nasty.
Yo, wake your ass up, dude.
He be calling you dumb early in the morning.
Who, dude?
Yes, and now you call him dumb early in the morning. He can't answer you.
Oh yeah. You lucky you sleeping. Yo, he's lucky he's comatose. He's lucky. I would have been like, yo, wake your ass up.
That's an 18-wheeler. Abandoned. I'm not even gonna say stuck. That's not stuck, that's abandoned. Driver was like, you know what? They could come get this.
Wake your ass up, dude. Wake your ass up.
Oh my god, look at this abandoned 18-wheeler. Ice. Stuck. Already got ice stuck to it. Icicles. Yeah, this truck is abandoned. It ain't stuck.
Can't go nowhere. Probably the destination. There's no.
Look at this.
Where he's gonna go?
Nowhere.
It's parked up. It's just black parked up there. Where he's gonna go?
Nowhere.
Exactly.
Car's abandoned. Look at this lady. She's serious.
So look at the two first.
Lady.
Got a car going the wrong way.
Oh snap. A car going the wrong way of 21st Street. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, look at Caton on Flatbush. Blocked.
Nope, there's nothing.
I'm going to fuck home. That's my nice one. That's all program. Eat my fucking food.
Yo, where the hell is Duke?
Watch my movie and go to fucking sleep.
Crooked. Obvious crack.
Get a house. Get a house. Out the back. Out the back. What do you do?
This is going on. Oh my god, it's crazy out here. This lady's wallet. Happy New Year's. Oh my god, that was so crazy.
He's lucky his window's not in the front. Oh my god. I would have been screaming.
Dollar van stuck. Cars are just stuck.
Yo, I want to get mad ghetto right now.
Oh my god.
Yo, dude, wake up.